You love to work with 18-volt batteries?
Then check out our new EXPERT 360-degree line laser. Hi, my name is Sabrina.
I'm Roland.
And today we introduce to you our new EXPERT line laser EXLL18V-120-33CG. It projects 3x360 green laser lines.
You can use it for many applications. For example, setting up a drywall, for flooring and tiling, for aligning sockets and switches, and furthermore. You have a working range up to 35 meters visible and up to 120 meters with receiver. The 120 meters is the radius, that means from the laser up to the receiver.
EXLL stands for EXPERT line laser. 18 volt is our battery platform, 120 the maximum working range with receiver. 33 stands for third generation and 3 laser lines, C for connected and G for green. We have the triple power concept. So there are 3 different power sources that give you a lot of flexibility. For example, with our EXPERT 18 volt 4 amp hour battery, you can have a runtime up to 24 hours. Of course, you can also work with our other 18 volt professional batteries.
Additionally, you have also the possibility to work with your 12 volt batteries. Therefore, we developed an adapter where you can use your batteries, fit it in, and then you can easily change from 18 volt to 12 volt. And then you have a runtime up to 8 hours. Furthermore, you have the possibility to use 4 standard C batteries. Also there, we have now an adapter where you put in the batteries and then you put it in the tool. And also here you have the runtime up to 8 hours.
The vertical on and off switch is easy to handle, and on top you can also see the battery status indicator with 3 LEDs. With the corner keypad you can easily switch on and off the laser lines individually.
Furthermore, you have here the possibility to activate the energy saving mode, which dims the laser line, and so you have 40% longer runtime. To use the laser receiver, you don't have to activate specially a laser receiver mode, as this is always activated. We use here our LR7 laser receiver. Then you have here also the possibility to activate the Bluetooth, and then you can use our leveling remote app, which Sabrina shows you.
This is especially convenient if your tool is out of reach. For example, you're doing a ceiling application and it is already mounted. You can simply start the leveling remote app and the tool directly gets connected. You also have the operating modes here, which lets you turn on and off the laser lines, and you have the energy saving mode, which you can activate or deactivate.
The line laser has IP65, which means it is totally dust tight and water jet protected. But the metal turrets are additionally rubberized, and the minimum height protects the laser glass.
And the EXLL is not only robust from the outside, but also from the inside. And you can see this here on our transparent model. So in the corners, there are special damping foams put in that protects the pendulum from any shocks. The EXLL has an integrated rotation mount with strong magnets at the back. Therefore, you can easily attach it to metal surfaces. And we also have the screw hole, so you can mount it, for example, on a wall.
A big benefit is the pivot fine adjustment. If you turn on the laser and you activate the vertical lines, you know you have the laser cross here and also on the ceiling. If you now want to adjust the vertical lines at the application on the wall, you don't want to move the cross. So if I turn now the wheel and I just put the finger there, you see the lines are moving, but the laser cross not.
The ceiling clip DK20 is part of our standard scope of supply. With it, you are able to either clip it or use the screw hole to attach it to a wall.
And it is very easy to attach it to the laser and then to adjust the different heights from your application.
At the bottom of the line laser, you can see that there is a 1/4 inch and also a 5/8 inch tripod thread. Therefore, you can use it for all common tripods. We have already set this up here for you, so you can see the BT250 tripod, which we usually recommend for this tour because it's very stable.
And here you have the possibility to set up now your different heights to your application, and you have the possibility to do also different slopes, for example for stair railing, and switch it on. Then you see the lasers blinking every 5 seconds to show you I'm not self-leveled anymore.
With our EXPERT line laser, you really get a great tool on hand, which helps you to tackle all the different applications on your job site. Did you enjoy this video? Then like and subscribe.
And leave a comment down below.
Outtakes.
The ceiling
Laser glass. Additionally, the metal turrets. Additionally, the metal trump
turns.